The Earth around us. Welcome. Today we're going to find out about our communities and the things that make them either the same or different. Let's start with our neighborhood. Every community looks different. This is because the land and water around each community is different. There are many types of both land and water on our planet and in our communities. Let's have a look at some of them. A large, flat area of land is called a plain. Plains are good for farmland. A hill is higher than a plain. It is land that is raised and has sloping sides. Hills can be big or small. When there are many of them in one area, we sometimes say that they are rolling hills because the land keeps rolling up and down with each hill. Mountains are the highest types of land on the planet. They can be very high, even thousands of feet high, with sharp and pointy tops and edges. When you see land all around and water in the middle, you have a lake. Lakes are closed in by land all around, and they can be very small or very large. A river is water that flows in a long stream. If we could see a river from high up, it would look like a long ribbon of water. Rivers are always flowing and moving as they make their way to a larger body of water, maybe a lake or even the ocean. The biggest bodies of water are the oceans. They are very large and have really big waves. They are made up of salt water. Ships can travel for weeks on an ocean before ever reaching land. That is how big they are. Whether you're on land or water, you'll notice different kinds of weather. Thank you for joining us today to find out about the Earth around us. We hope to see you again soon.